来，这个川普发动着关税战了后，到底是倒一个国家会上大先甲美国达成着贸易协议呢？川普今仔日宣布了，抢着头香的是英国。这个消息瞬间点到着市场乐观的情绪，美国股市四大指数全部收悬。
美国今仔日收盘，四大指数拢总收悬，其中道琼起254.48点，41000多点收盘，因为白宫有好消息。
Today's agreement with the UK is the first in a series of agreements on trade that my administration has been negotiating over the past 4 weeks.
Trump 上任了后，美国甲英国达成头一个贸易协议。英国首相 Sir Keir 嘛透过电话空中甲 Trump 做伙宣布消息。
Thank you, Mr. President, Donald.
This is going to boost trade between and across our countries. It's going to not only protect jobs but create jobs.
Opening market access.
Trump 表示，美英贸易协议的最后细节会伫咧未来几礼拜来确定。美国媒体整理，目前知影的部分是英国会扩大美国牛肉、伊笋和其他农产品的准入，而且对美国的商品平均的关税降到1.8%。美国嘛，互英国向当年10万架汽车用10%的关税输入美国的配额。另外，英国的钢铁、劳斯莱斯的引进，和其他飞行机的零件，拢总免关税。
So that is something of a win for the UK, and those industries will get some relief as a result of the negotiating that the UK government has done. But we should be a bit cautious because we haven't seen a lot of detail. And also because Trump in the past has gone back on deals that he's made with countries.
Trump 的关税战头一个贸易协议看起来有结果，不过伫咧双方实际签订进程，不少经济学者对协议的前景拢是认为也该观望。
Hello， 大家好，我是林依文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。